Hello guys, welcome to Ride with Technicals. So today we'll discuss how you can make money using ascending triangles. Ascending triangle is a bullish formation that usually forms during an uptrend as a continuation pattern. There are instances where ascending triangle form as reversal pattern as well, but it is usually during a downtrend. Ascending triangle has higher lows accompanied by same tops. Ascending triangles are bullish pattern that indicate accumulation. The pattern can also be referred to as a right angle triangle. So the things to be kept in mind while spotting an ascending triangle are as follows. Firstly, the horizontal line. There should be at least two reaction highs. In simple words, there should be at least two hits on the horizontal line. The highs do not have to be exact, but reasonable proximity of each other. Second, the ascending line. There should be at least two reaction lows. In simple words, there should be instances of two higher lows in the pattern formation. Finally, the duration. The length of the pattern can range from few weeks to many months, with an average pattern lasting from 1 to 3 months. So the 3 points mentioned here are very important while spotting a valid ascending triangle. Now I'll discuss some extra confirmation which would help us boost the confidence of our trade. Firstly, the volume. If the breakout is accompanied by above average volumes, it gives us confirmation of the trade becoming successful. Secondly, retest. There might be instances where the stock returns back to the horizontal line after the breakout. This phenomena is known as retest or role reversal, which is the basic tenet of technical analysis, where resistance turns into a support and vice versa. And the final thing associated with this pattern is target calculation. As soon as the stock breakouts, target is calculated using the width of the pattern added to the horizontal line. So this sums up what is ascending triangle. Let's quickly see an ascending triangle on charts. This is the platform I use to do my technical analysis. It is investing.com. The chart you are now seeing on the screen is Vedanta Limited. As you can see that I have drawn an ascending triangle in the chart. Now let's see whether it fulfills the norms of ascending triangle pattern or not. Firstly, it has to have at least two touch points on the horizontal line. Yes, we have it. Secondly, it has to have at least two touch points on the rising trend line. Yes, we have it too. And finally, the duration of the pattern. Yes, it's around 2 months long, so it's acceptable. Remember, the breakout is only above the horizontal line, that is 247 zone. The target of the pattern is the width of the pattern, so it comes around 277 level. Let's see how this pattern worked. See, the stock finally breaks the resistance line, and see carefully how the stock comes back to retest the horizontal line. The red candle is the retesting candle. After the retest, the stock ran up continuously and not only achieved its target, but went way past our estimated target, hitting 345 level mark in just 5 months, giving around 40% returns. So this shows how simple and accurate plotting of chart patterns would help us make money. Thank you for watching. If you learned something watching this, please stay updated with this channel for further learnings. Thank you.